number 51 is volume charge density of dielectric is equal to rho p minus divergence p rho r prime vector er is equal to 1 over r prime r vector minus r prime vector cube plus 3 r vector minus r prime vector and 12 over r minus r prime vector power 5. Point number 52 is that linear momentum of many particles pi is equal to mi x I hat. Point number 53, force in terms of momentum Fi is equal to pi dot. If in a system of particles F external is equal to 0, it implies that dp over dt is equal to 0. It also implies that mr vector is equal to constant. Point number 54, angular momentum of system of particle is equal to Li is equal to xi multiplied by pi. Point number 55 is that something that can restrict the motion of the particles are called constraints. These are of two types, holonomic, non-holonomic. Constraint that can be expressed into the form of equations, example given friction F R1 R2 Rn, T is equal to 0 are called holonomic. That cannot be expressed into the form of equations are called non-holonomic. Point number 56, degrees of freedom is set of coordinates of variable needed to describe the dynamic of a mechanical system are called degree of freedom. The formula of the degree of freedom is equal to 3n minus n into n minus 1 over 2. Point number 57. In the motion of simple pendulum, L length remains constant but theta angle with support is variable. So theta is called degree of freedom. Point number 58 is that every object in space has 6 coordinates. Point number 59. Generalized quadrant is the set of parameters or variable needed to describe set of equations like x, y, z, r theta phi, r y theta, r I is equal to r I into q1, q2, so on qn, t. Point number 60, D'Alembert principle. The work done by a constant force is 0. Sigma I into Fi minus P dot sigma r is equal to 0. Sigma r is called virtual displacement. D'Alembert principle is used to calculate net change in momentum of any particle. Number 62 is that generalized form is equal to sigma I Fi curly Ri over curly Qj. Generalized form of velocity is dRi over dt is equal to Vi is equal to sigma n I is equal to 1, sigma n j is equal to 1, curly Ri over curly Qj dot is equal to sigma n j is equal to 1, curly Ri over curly Qj dot. Generalized kinetic energy Ti is equal to 1 over 2 mi Vi square is equal to half mi Vi vector comma Vj vector. T is equal to sigma n I is equal to 1, Ti is equal to half, sigma n I is equal to 1 mi Qj dot Qk dot. And final question is sigma n j is equal to 1, sigma n k is equal to 1, Qj k, Qj dot and Qk dot. Now for Qj k, Q is equal to half, sigma n j is equal to 1 mi curly Ri over curly Qj dot curly Ri over curly Qx. Point number 63, Lagrange equation for conservative field d over dt into sigma t over curly qj dot minus curly t minus v over curly qj is equal to 0. d over dt curly t over curly q curly into curly q over curly t minus curly into t minus v over curly qj is equal to 0. It is another form. And the involving quadratic equation L into qj dot t is equal to q I qj t minus v qj. L is equal to t minus v d over dt curly L over curly qj minus curly L over curly qj is equal to 0. For non-conservative field, Lagrange equations are d by dt curly L over curly qj dot minus curly L over curly qj is equal to qj prime. T2 minus T1 is equal to V1 minus V2 is the conservative condition. Point number 65, for non-conservative field virtual work sigma W is equal to Fi dot delta Ri. Delta Wi is equal to Fi dot delta Ri. Point number 66, principle of virtual work. A system of particle will be in equilibrium if sigma Fi delta delta Ri is equal to 0. Point number 67, law of conservation of energy of system of particles sigma I T1 to T2 Fi dSi is equal to sigma I T1 to T2 d into half mv I square is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to delta T. Point number 68, equations of Norton theorem. Is and In, Is is equal to In and Rn is equal to R Thevenin. 69, equation of Thevenin theorem is R, V are required is equal to R required over R1 plus R required multiplied by V applied. And the equation and statement of Thevenin theorem is as the entire network connected to the pair of terminals A and B can be replaced by a single voltage source. Point number 71, for the detection of neutron apparatus consists of 3 chambers. Chamber number 1 and name polonium source and beryllium foil. Number 2, emission of gamma particle and production of carbon and hydrogen. And the point number 3, a chamber of nuclear reactor is the ionization chamber, and the amplifier and counters are extra apparatuses. Number 71, basic or first reaction for the production of neutron is helium 42 plus nitrogen 13.7 implies that oxygen 16.8 plus hydrogen 1.1. Point number 72, final reaction for the production of neutron is beryllium 42 plus helium 42. Reaction takes place, carbon 12.6 plus neutron 1.0 is produced. Point number 73, production of neutron by radioactive sources has equation beryllium 9.4, helium 42, 9 and neutron 1.0, carbon 12.6 plus 5.708 megaelectron energy is released. Energy range of produced neutron by radioactive source reaction ranges from 0 megaelectron to 13 megaelectron. By product is gamma rays. Point number 74, in solid R0 is the equilibrium distance of bond formation. Point number 75, stress on a solid is the ratio of applied force and area perpendicular to that force. Stress is equal to F over A. It implies that dP is equal to F over A as applied force is equal to rate of change of momentum dP. Modulus is the ratio of stress to strain. It implies that P is equal to minus dP over dV over V is equal to minus VdP over dV. Point number 77, first law of thermodynamics, dU is equal to dQ is equal to minus PdV. So these equations become in point 78, P over V, bulk modulus over volume is equal to d square U over dV square, P is equal to du square over dV square. As bulk modulus is equal to d square U over dV square over bulk modulus over volume, it implies that P is equal to dV square over dV square. Result, bulk modulus is the second order differential equation of the internal energy of the crystal. Point number 79 is stiffness of solid, amount of energy to produce deformation. Point number 80, crystal parameter constant is called angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. And the point number 81 is binding energy of ionic crystal is caused by the Coulomb interaction, which is also called Madelung energy. Number 82, Madelung energy is equal to plus minus Q square over R square. Plus is of electrostatic repulsive force and negative is of electrostatic attractive force. Point number 83, in 1910, Madelung and Born change binding energy formula as binding energy of solid is equal to lambda to the power minus R over rho. Of binding and rho is the change of repulsive force. Repulsive potential. Number 84, in an ionic crystal, an ion I is surrounded by a number of J ions. Therefore, total cohesive energy Ui is equal to sigma J, Uij, and I is not equal to J. Uij is the interactional energy between the ith and jth ion. Number 85, Uij is equal to lambda e power minus Rij over rho plus minus e square over Rij. U total is equal to minus n alpha rho e square over capital R square into 1 minus rho over R naught. And number 86 is, so finally the Madelung energy of whole ionic crystal is equal to minus n alpha e square over naught. Point number 87, Galileo and Newton follow classical physics because those days there was no quantum mechanics. Point number 88, for NaCl bulk modulus for formula is B is equal to 1 over 18 R naught n dot alpha square U over dr square. Point number 89, Bragg put forward the concept of Max von Laue that X-rays are electromagnetic rays for which lambda is equal to 1 Armstrong. Point number 90, Bragg's law is 2d sin theta is equal to n lambda, where lambda is equal to 10 power minus 18 centimeter, that is equal to 1 Armstrong. Point number 91, the phenomenon of X-rays was formulated by W. H. Bragg and W. L. Bragg in 1912. Number 92 is HKL are known as Miller indices. Point number 93, structure of solid is explored or studied by X-ray diffraction. Point number 94, in powder method of X-ray diffraction, lambda is fixed, theta is variable, d is variable. It is performed by Debye and Hull. And number 95, X-ray diffraction by crystal rotating method is lambda is equal to fixed, monochromatic, d is equal to fixed, theta is equal to variable. Point number 96, Laue's method, theta is equal to variable, lambda is equal to variable, d is equal to fixed. Point number 97, Madelung constant form one-dimensional case. Alpha for NaCl 1.747565, for Cl 1.762675, for zinc S 1.638. Point number 98, in 1921, P.P. Wald developed reciprocal lattice, which is further applied by J.D. Barnard. Point number 99, vectors of reciprocal lattices for FCC. A vector prime is equal to A by 2 I plus J, B vector prime is equal to A by 2 J plus K, C vector prime is equal to A by 2 K plus I. Point number 100, volume of primitive cell V is equal to A 3 by 8 into I plus J into I plus J minus K. Equation of volume is V is equal to A equal 3 by 8 into 1 plus 1 minus 0, that is equal to A की पावर 3 over 4. Normative translational vectors for FCC, A steric vector is equal to 2 pi into B prime multiplied by C prime over A prime dot B vector prime cross C vector prime is equal to 2 pi into A square over 4 into I plus J minus K over A की पावर 3 over 4. A steric vector is equal to 2 pi over A into I plus J minus K, same as B steric vector is equal to 2 pi over A minus I plus J plus K. C steric vector is equal to 2 pi A into I minus J plus K. Number 102, volume of an FCC unit cell V steric is equal to A steric dot B steric cross C steric, that has unit per meter cube. Point number 103, perfect crystal. A crystal which contains the regular periodic arrangements in their lattices. And the point number 104 is real crystal, a crystal which contains certain defects or variation from the regular periodic arrangements. Point number 105, classical energy of dynamic system is given by E is equal to P square over 2m plus B of x. Point number 106, quantum mechanically E is equal to I h cut over curly t, P is equal to I h cut curly over curly x. And number 107 is Schrodinger equation, which is very important in quantum mechanics as well as in interview. I h cut curly over curly t is equal to minus h cut square over 2m into curly square over curly x square plus v of x. In quadratic form, h into x comma minus eta h cut curly over curly x. Point number 108, angle bracket x, so psi of t is equal to phi of x psi of t or psi of x phi of t. This is called expectation value. Psi of x is equal to position variable and phi of t is equal to time variable. Point number 109, eigenvalue of energy is given by is equal to iota h cut 1 over phi t into curly phi of t over curly t. In terms of Hamiltonian equation, E is equal to 1 over psi of x h hat psi of x. For nth state eigenvalue En is equal to 1 over psi f h cut h hat psi of x. Point number 110, time function phi of t is equal to e power minus I En t over h cut. And point number 111 is the generalized solution of eigenvalue equation. Angle bracket x psi of x is equal to e power minus iota En t over h cut into x ex. Expectation value is the point number 112. Number 1, x psi of t En. Number 2, En e power minus iota En t over h cut. Angle bracket x En Fn. Fn is equal to sigma n e power minus I En t over h cut x En into Enx. Fn is equal to sigma n e power minus iota En t over h cut into x En into Enx is the final equation. And number point 113, operators are such signs which can change the effect of the eigenvalue, such as point number 1, a hat, that is applied when in eigenvalue form change into form psi of t, a hat into psi of t, like that. And the question number 2 is as psi of t is equal to iota h cut curly over curly t is psi of t. Point number 3 is psi of t is equal to e power minus iota h hat t over h cut into psi of t. Point number 114, Heisenberg equation of motion, iota h cut d over d t a of t is equal to a t comma h hat. Point number 1, iota h cut d over d t a t psi is equal to h cut square over m curly psi over curly x. Point number 2, d over dt x of t is equal to 1 over m into p of t. Number 3 is p of t is equal to m d of dt of x of t, same as that of the equation is same as p is equal to mv. Here v is equal to d of x of d over d of t. Point number 115, parity. Deflection of system is called parity, or inversion of space coordinates about the origin is called parity operation, denoted by p hat, and its operations are p r is equal to minus r, p psi of x is equal to psi of minus x. Parity is of two types. Even p of p hat psi of x is equal to plus psi of minus x, or p psi of x is equal to minus psi of minus x. Operations are as follows: p a operator, p is equal to a operator, even parity operator. P b, p is equal to minus b, odd parity operator. Point number 117, by definition parity operator is given by the equation minus infinity to plus infinity psi of x, p steric phi steric of x dr is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity integral phi steric p transformed psi of x d of x, including Hamiltonian and conjugate operator. These equations are. Point number 118 is that properties of parity operator, p hat is equal to p transformed, parity operator is Hermitian. P square is equal to I, it implies that p hat dot p hat is equal to I square, it implies that p hat is equal to 1 over p hat is equal to p inverse, as p final value has plus minus 1. Point number 119, results of operators are ah is equal to 0, show that a is independent of time, so a is constant of motion, same as ph psi of x is equal to 0, show that parity is a constant of motion. Now point number 120 is Zeeman effect. When an hydrogen atom is placed in a uniform magnetic field, the energy level shift towards the particular direction or shifting of one spectral line into many lines is called Zeeman effect. 121 Anomalous Zeeman effect is that in ignoring spinning of electron, shifting of electron with an atom is called anomalous Zeeman effect. And now point 122 abnormal Zeeman effect is if spin motion is not ignored in the atom, then the shifting of electron within the atom is called abnormal Zeeman effect. Point number 123 Hamiltonian relation of electric and magnetic field interaction is given by nu b is equal to mu dot b. Magnetic dipole moment is equal to mu, यानी mu यहाँ पे magnetic dipole moment. V is equal to P of m, velocity of electron having m mass and linear momentum p. Point number 124 current loop of motion of charge is given by is equal to E over 2E. It implies that if T is equal to 2 pi r over P over me, it implies that me 2 pi r over P is equal to I. Hence potential energy over me 2 pi r is equal to I. Point number 125 magnetic moment mu is equal to I multiply by area over C. Definition of magnetic moment is equal to the product of current loop and ratio of area to the speed of light. Point number 126 magnetic moment equation is given by mu is equal to E dot r vector cross P over 2 MEC. Number 2 mu is equal to E dot L over 2 MEC as r cross P is equal to L. Point number 3 VB is equal to EL over MEC dot B. According to this equation we can write VB is equal to mu dot B. Now point number 127 is about perturbation. In quantum mechanics, a problem having not exactly solved by the perturbation theory, which is that it is also known as exact solution of Schrödinger equation. Point number 128 and in quantum mechanics, approximation is used to solve time independent and dependent Hamiltonian equations. Point number 129 stationary state dealing with the approximation method involved. Stationary state dealing with approximation involve perturbation theory, variation method, Wenzel, Kermer, Brilliance, WKB theory. Point number 131 perturbation is applicable where derivation is small. Use of perturbation involve addition or contribution. Point number 132 WKB used in that type of variation where Hamiltonian cannot be reduced to an exact solvable part plus the small correction to eigenvalue. Hamiltonian psi of n is equal to psi of E n psi n. Point number 133 variation method. It is applied for calculation of energy eigenvalue of the ground state of the as well as first few excited states. First few excited state of the system. Point number 134 WKB is applicable for system of number 1 finding region value eigenvalue of wave function. Number 2 classical limitation are valid. Point number 135 energy eigenvalue is equal to En and energy function is equal to psi n. Number 3 H is equal to H naught plus H hat P. H naught is equal to Hamiltonian having exact solution. Point number 136 incident flux Fi is given by H cut over M psi 1 tariq curly over curly x psi 1. Psi 1 is equal to A e की power iota alpha x. Point number 137 reflective flux Fr is given by H cut over Mi psi steric r curly over curly x psi of r. Psi of r is equal to B e की power minus iota alpha x. Fi is equal to H cut over M alpha A steric. Fr is equal to minus H cut alpha over M BP steric. Point 138 transmitted flux is given by F transmission is equal to H cut over M psi steric of T curly over curly x psi of T. Psi of T is equal to E capital E iota alpha x ft is equal to h cut over m alpha E steric transmitted is equal to ft over fi is equal to 4 over 4 cos square beta alpha plus alpha over beta plus beta over alpha whole square dot and the final reflective flux is given by Fr over Fi is equal to beta over alpha minus alpha over beta sin square beta alpha into 4 cos square beta alpha plus alpha over beta plus beta over alpha into sin square beta alpha. Some further results are as follows: R plus T is equal to 1. It means that alpha plus beta square over alpha plus beta square is plus 4 alpha beta over alpha plus beta square is equal to 1. Number 6, alpha is equal to me over h cut to me under root over h cut, beta is equal to m into e minus v naught h cut over h cut under root 107 results are e is equal to v naught and e is very greater than v naught. Then these equations are satisfied. Alpha is equal to me square root over h cut when beta is equal to 0, r is equal to alpha minus beta square over alpha plus beta square is equal to alpha square over alpha square, r plus t is equal to 1. And when e is very greater than v naught, then alpha is equal to me under root over h cut, beta is equal to me under root over h cut, alpha is equal to beta. T will become 4 alpha beta over alpha plus beta square is equal to 4 alpha over 4 alpha, r is equal to 1 alpha minus beta square over alpha plus beta square, that will become 0. Transmitted flux will be maximum but reflective flux will be 0 when E is very greater than V naught. Beta alpha minus alpha beta sin square beta alpha dot cos square beta alpha plus alpha beta plus beta alpha dot sin square beta alpha. Point number 139, all these square matrices are A I J is equal to integral psi I square k I at psi I t dot in matrix form. J plus psi of j by m is equal to j into j plus 1 minus m into m plus 1 h cut psi into j comma m plus 1 under root j minus psi j m is equal to j into j plus 1 minus m into m minus 1 h cut psi j comma m minus 1 under root. Point number 140, solid is loosely packed if atomic packing factor APF is smaller than 0.74 or 74%. Point number 141 is BCC and simple cubic are loosely packed solid. Point number 142, if coordination number of solid is less than 12, then solid is loosely packed. Point number 143 is that loosely packed solid have APF greater than 0.74 or 74% and coordination number greater than 12. Point number 44, hexagonal are loosely packed solids. And point number 145, hexagonal are loosely packed solids. Have only one previous lattice. Effective number of atoms of lattices are 6. Point number 146, atomic packing factor is the ratio of total volume of atom inside the unit cell to the number of unit cell. Point number 147, for electron Pauli exclusion principle is 1 delta 1 over 2 by 1 over 2 is equal to 1. Number 2, delta T is equal to 0 h cut 0 0. Point number 148, delta x is equal to h cut over 2 0 1 1 0 is equal to h cut over 2 sigma x. Delta y is equal to minus h cut over 2 0 delta minus delta 0 is equal to minus h cut over 2 sigma y. Delta z is equal to minus h cut over 2 1 0 0 minus 1 over 2 is equal to h cut over 2 sigma g. Point number 149 are the results. Sigma x square is equal to sigma y square is sigma z square is equal to I. Number 2 s is equal to delta y square plus delta z square. Point number 150, sigma x sigma y is equal to O iota sigma z. Sigma y sigma z matrix is equal to O I 2 iota sigma x and sigma z sigma x matrix is equal to 2 iota sigma y. Point number